Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord app freezing on PC. So if you are using the Discord app and you are feeling that it's like freezing on your PC, then you guys can do further steps to sort out the issue. So first of all, you have to go to your the startup section, and here you have to go to this power icon and make sure that just simply tap on restart. So after restarting, I think your issue will be resolved. If your issue is still not resolved, then what you guys have to do is you have to simply check your network if you're connected with a stable internet connection. So you have to make sure that if there is another stable connection, you have to make sure that. So if you have a strong internet connection and you are still facing an issue about your Discord, then what you have to do is just simply go to the help section at the here. So after coming to that help section at the top right corner of your Discord, now here you have to just simply select any of the option which is like known issue, bugs or troubleshooting. Just simply tap on it, or you guys can also go to server settings. So I'll recommend you to use this known issue, bugs and troubleshooting. So after coming to that, here are the lots of articles related to the Discord. You guys can just simply read all the article and it will help you a lot. If they are still not resolving, you guys can just simply tap on this Discord support Twitter FAQ. So you have to just simply tap on it, and in this way you guys can simply go to your contact with your Discord team. So after connecting with your Discord team, your issue will be resolved by your Discord team very easily. But firstly, you have to make sure that your internet connection is stable and you are using the Discord effectively. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.